What a beautiful scene at Lahore Safari. In the birds everywhere you can see peacocks sitting on the tree. So beautiful, and we have a flock of birds here. Sitting peacefully in the ship. Okay, they're scared, but they don't need to. I'm only here. सुरखाब के पर फेमस कोट, तो ये वो सुरखाब है जनाब।